I think this is a hole right here. Ooh, watch out for these birds though. You don't want to hook one of these birds. What is that sound? The waves in the back are huge. I'm pretty sure this is a hole right here. Fresh jelly, fresh jelly. What is up, yo? You watching Cook It Up. Today we're just on the beach and we're gonna go for some striper again. I still have not landed my first striper on the surf. So we're just gonna walk all the way down the beach, try to find a nice deep hole, you know, and we'll see what happens. It's a very windy day, so I'm probably gonna be throwing my Castmaster. We'll see how it goes. Let's cook it up. The water seems a little far back. There's a hole right here. Wonder if there's any fish stuck on this side. Is that a hole I see? Is that a hole? I'm trying to learn how to read the waves. Anyways, we're gonna load up right here. It is so goddamn windy today. I'm gonna use the 2 ounce. I think this one's the 2. Yep. I'm gonna use the 2 ounce Castmaster. Alright, y'all, all I did was tie a Palomar knot. I tied it straight onto my main line this time. If you want to see how to tie a Palomar knot, check out my last video. But yeah, check that out. Boom. We're gonna be throwing this today. Yes, it's true. I've yet to land my very first striper on the surf, so let's make it happen. Today might be the day. You never know. Hey, by the way, I'm for real just keeping it simple today. Just got my rod and reel. That's all I need. There's actually something goofy going on with my reel, so I'll show y'all later. If you guys know what's going on with it, let me know, because I don't know what the fuck is up. It's making some weird noise. You'll probably hear it in the video. First cast. Water's actually pretty clear today. You guys hear that? What is that sound? Let's give this a shot. I'm pretty sure this is a hole right here. See how deep this water gets with this surfer. 4 feet deep, maybe 30 yards out. It's starting to get a little higher. I would say this is a good hole right here. Look at how deep he is. Is he on a sandbar now? Okay, so he's still around. It's up to his butt when he's that far out. Question is this a good hole? There's a bunch of surfers out there. That is a fresh jelly. Fresh jelly. I wonder how it tastes. Oh my god, it's thick. Come on now. Let's get a striper. Come on, let's go. Trying to get my first striper now. And I think I fixed my reel. I just used it a couple times. Maybe it was sand. I think I fixed my reel, or it fixed itself. I don't hear the noise from my reel no more. It's probably not a good thing, but it was annoying as hell. Also got my trigger finger. Helps with braided line, or any line I should say. You gotta have your trigger finger. You gotta have that trigger finger ready. It helps with casting. It's not as bad on a 9-foot rod, but casting braided on like a 10, 12-foot rod feels like you're about to get your hand ripped off, a finger ripped off. Alright, probably another 15 more minutes and I'm done here. The waves in the back are huge. See how this trigger finger works? It's like this, right? Alright, let me teach y'all. This is the trigger finger, right? Ooh, watch out for these birds though. You don't want to hook one of these birds. Anyway, you see this trigger finger? So, typically, when you're about to cast, you hold the extra line with your finger, right? Right there. That's the trigger. That's where you let go. And then when you pull it down, you see where it's at? Now, when I release, it's not going to rub against my finger no more. When I release this shit, it's going to go flying. That's why I call it my trigger finger. And my trigger finger is itching, man. Let me get me a striper. Let's go. Oh, that's a good cast. See, the trigger finger help. I can probably cast like 10 feet. Oh shit, that's a big wave. I could probably cast like 10 feet, 20 feet farther with the trigger finger. Practicing my baseball swing. You can cast in so many different ways. You can overhead cast. You can sidearm. Oh shit. My pant leg is getting wet. See, when I go overhead cast, it feels like I'm twisting my body more. Now, granted, I might not get as much distance with the baseball swing, but I'm still accurate. And it gets far enough, I think. The current's taking my weight to the right. I'm gonna try that sidearm one more time. Oh, is that a bite? I think this is a hole right here. But look at the waves in the back. You see that? They're taller than me. The waves in the back are crazy. It's starting to get a little deep on this side, which is good for me, but not when you're not wearing swimming trunks. I'm just in regular old shorts. You never know if there's a striper swimming by, just wants to bite my bait. Check out this baseball swing. Ready for this? Check it out. My rod's completely to my right. And I'm just gonna reach back and swing. Even with the trigger finger, it makes you wanna throw it even harder. And you still hurt your finger. Well, didn't catch squat today. But it's all good. Let's believe I'll be back. Got more videos coming your way. Got more cooking videos. I got more beats. We're gonna cook up some more beats. And on top of that, we're about to go fishing in different places, son. So stay tuned.